It's been a long time, but I'm back with my mate Isaac, and and today we're going to play a game called Heads Up, but the rules are changed. So the rules are that whoever is guessing has to. You can guess in English, but when you're trying to guess, when you're asking questions, you have to ask the questions in Yoruba. So basically, we're going to try and stick to Yoruba as much as possible. If that's alright.
We could try.
Yeah, so do you want to go first, shall I?
Yeah, I'll go first. Is it Animal Kingdom?
Yeah. So this is the Animal Kingdom. Right. Alright.
Is it started?
It's just saying get ready. Okay.
Ready.
I want
your text messages.
So okay. Wait, how does this work? Is it like, do I have to?
No, so say it in English and I'll guess in Yoruba. So like describe it in English and I'll guess in Yoruba.
No, I have to describe it in Yoruba because
that's even
you can't guess.
That's even.
So okay. I want.
Is it?
I want. Ẹyẹ tó máa ń wà nínú odò. Tó máa ń bá àwọn èèyàn jà. Tó máa ń bá àwọn èèyàn jà. Tó yẹ pé ní ìlú yìí olórí ó máa ń ó ní.
A lè pa wọ́n. A lè pa wọ́n.
A lè pa wọ́n. A lè ṣe kan fún wọn, a lè pa wọ́n jẹ. Torí olórí ló ní wọ́n.
Oh wow, I feel like I'm in the water.
Time's up, mate.
Oh my god.
Basically, we were saying that, like what was saying, that the queen, Olori,
that's the part.
Olori is queen. Olori is queen. Oba is king. So the queen protects them. So what was it?
Swan, but there is
no. But like
goose.
there's no. It's goose.
It's a goose. Sorry.
There's like goose swan. I know they don't have protection.
That's
the thing. I also don't know. I would have said Pepe TM Olori Olori.
Pepe is dog. Yeah.
That's the closest.
Yeah, that's what I say. You should guess in English.
That's funny.
But when you're trying to like describe it.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Do you want to do it again or should I?
Nah.
Do we have goose in there? I'm just deep in.
We don't because
it's
I
not
realize
native, it's not
certain
native
animals we don't have in
I don't think it's native to us.
It's not. Because they migrate from the UK to America or Canada or something like that.
Oh, okay, because I didn't say
that's even far.
Alright, I'm going to place this on my forehead.
2, 1. Fún Eid Mubarak, àwọn Muslims
Ram. No, cow. No, goat.
Yeah. Because it's in English. So say in Yoruba.
A buffet?
Is it a buffet?
No, it's not buffet.
It's not a leather, it's pig.
Let me go through this.
This is difficult.
I remember it.
But you can guess in English, it's just
okay.
But it's more interesting. Okay. I buried my grandfather. I've seen this in my life.
What's an animal in Yoruba?
Oh wow, yeah, I don't know. Just say I want.
Amarini Odo Tobi.
Whales.
Not too far.
Dolphin.
Time's up. Seal.
Oh.
Because I was going to say polar bears eat them, but I don't know how to say that.
Yeah, I don't know what polar. We've never seen polar bears.
I want polar bears.
Because like I think polar bears is non. I don't think I've ever seen a polar bear, so most likely say polar.
But we pray that we'll never see a polar bear.
I've seen that video. There's like a guy that's cycling and then
like,
he
sees a bear.
He just looks around and sees
and
the bear
chasing him. Oh my god! The thing is, people don't understand. Bears are not only probably quicker than motorbikes, they are stronger than. What's something strong?
They're very strong.
What's something that's really strong? But they're athletic as well, so they can climb, they can jump. Yeah. And the thing is, like, when it stands, it's
massive.
It's as tall as this as well. God forbid.
The Revenant.
God forbid.
Yeah, the Revenant movie.
Yeah, that one scared me. Wait, is it still there? Is it?
Oh, Josh is not in the video. Josh is only audio. That's fine. Video. Alright.
Count down for me, please.
2, 1, go. Oh my days. Kini, only ó ní bí ara ẹ̀ jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ilé or ó ní ó ní ó ní ara ẹ̀ lé ṣùgbọ́n ó máa ń
Armadillo.
yes.
Don't
worry, I'm gonna just yeah. Oh,
I can even understand.
kini ó ní agídí gan. Ó máa ẹsẹ̀ mẹ́rin ló ní. Ó dẹ̀ ní eyín tó yẹ pé ó
Tiger.
yes.
Yeah,
just go for it.
I don't know how I'm getting this.
Okay. Ọ̀rọ̀ méjì. The ọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́kọ́ ní okay ní orí ní inú ayé. Oh gosh, time's up.
African buffalo.
That's not bad though.
Yeah, you tried.
This is what I mean. When I tell people I can understand,
Yeah.
just saying it is a different thing. Oh, African buffalo.
Yeah, then I say I was like 2 words.
Yeah.
So I was trying to describe where we are from.
Yeah.
Like, so they say Africa.
Yeah.
Then the buffalo is how I've said, maybe, what do you call cow again in Yoruba?
Malu.
Malu, yeah, good. So Malu, is in Nigeria we have to say Malu something like Malu, cousin Malu or something because because yes,
No,
that's
actually
best.
no.
It's actually a type of
That's
Yeah,
how your
cousin.
goes.
yes.
I would have said that. I probably would have said bison or buffalo. One of the
Yeah,
two, so.
cousin Malu. That's best.
What I did want to add is maybe we should have done this at the start, but I wanted to like add a bit of background and say like so, Isaac, in terms of Yoruba, you understand it and you speak it a little bit. However, in terms of background, you were born in Nigeria, weren't you? But then you moved when you were quite young.
Yeah.
And then in the house, did your parents speak it a lot or?
Yeah, my parents speak Yoruba all the time. The problem is, I think in the years that I'll try and say this in Yoruba. No, there's no point. But in the years where I feel it was important for me to learn Yoruba from the age of being born till I left Nigeria, at school they didn't teach us Yoruba at all.
Yeah.
Because I went to a private school called Lawson, and the school just did English.
Vernacular.
Yeah,
But I think that's because obviously there'll be people from other like tribes there as well.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to speak just your own language.
Yeah.
So every time I'd go to school it's English, but when I go back home we're speaking Yoruba. But at the same time, like my mom used to tell me I used to beat my grandma. Anytime she speak Yoruba, I used to beat her. I said, speak English, English, yeah. Because that's all I knew. It was obviously it was a joke and it was funny, but that was all I knew. So there was no like, oh, you have to learn how to speak Yoruba. I never was forced to learn. It wasn't until like, I think I told you when I was like 14, 15, 16, they were saying, you're not speaking Yoruba. No. But that's why, now that I can say that I appreciate my Yorubaism. Is that the word?
Your Yoruba culture.
My Yoruba culture, and I guess you could say also being Nigerian, maybe because of the progress of Nigerians in the last like couple of years, in terms of just life in general. I can now say that okay, I want to be able to speak my language. I take pride in I take pride in my language, and I want to learn. So this is why I'm here. So
that's good. And basically, people like Isaac are the target audience for this video, so that's why he's here, basically, to show you that if he can do it, then so can you.
Do it as well. I didn't even know to get a ticket now. My mom told me a single ticket is like £900.
Oh, that's cheap.
No, that's expensive.
No, that's cheap. But okay.
Yeah, good. Okay.
What's I don't know Yoruba?
Don't worry about that. Just keep.
Odo. Odo like
Odo.
Yeah, but that's but
okay, ṣùgbọ́n ó ní ẹsẹ̀ ọkọ̀ méjì mẹ́ta mẹ́rin.
Crocodile.
Mẹ́fà, is it mẹ́fà?
No.
6 mẹ́fà.
Yeah, mẹ́fà.
Only
SM mẹ́fà. Àti what was that? Ọwọ́ tó
crab.
Yes.
Okay.
What's insect?
Woman fo be. You know woman is it fo? No.
Yeah.
No. Aburo shishi.
Mm.
To beautiful.
Kokoroni, but
Oh, butterfly.
yeah. Quick. Time up. We'll carry on. Where is it? Yeah, we'll carry on because you got that one right.
Alright.
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oro meji.
Oromiji, but joined.
What's Hunter?
Okay, so Aja.
You already said.
Shubon. What's live?
Attack dog.
No. Okay. You know. Amari. Anima Nino Odo. Yes. Most.
Niodo, but.
Oh.
Shubon.
Man. God.
What's? I don't want to say the second word. Because it will just give it away straight away. But okay.
Popular ni God. How do I say? Benny
Okay, I want Yoruba on je.
Dogfish, man. It's dogfish. What can we say, fam?
Yeah,
Dogfish, man.
I don't know what that is.
That I don't know too, man.
What I wanted to say I was going to say the cousin, like catfish, but it's a dog.
Okay.
Yo!
That's why I said.
Okay, Aburo. What's cat in Yoruba?
Olongbo.
Ologbo, yeah.
Ologbo.
But if I said Aburo Ologbo, would you have said cat? Would you have said dog?
No.
You would have thought like lion or something like that, yeah. But then
I don't know. How do you describe dogfish?
dogfish.
Aja ati something else.
He said Olongbo. Maybe then I would have got it.
Ologbo ati.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, dog is what again? Dog is Aja now.
Yeah.
Then.
Oh yeah, I don't know what I was saying. Ologbo, yeah. So Aja ati.
Ati
something
again. Okay, 5, 4, 3.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Oman one no do. Oman be sorry.
Dolphin.
Oman okay.
Frog.
Yeah.
Did I get that?
No, do it again. Oh, I don't know. Skip. Oman no do.
They love
Oman
animals that swim in the sea.
gbogbo nǹkan tó wà ní odò ó lè pè ní orúkọ yìí. Almost
crustacean?
Almost gbogbo nǹkan tó wà ní odò ó lè pè ní.
Fish.
Yes.
Okay.
Skip. What even is that? Okay.
Try.
Ọ̀rọ̀ méjì.
Okay.
Ọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́kọ́ ni téèyàn bá ń gbàdúrà.
Crayfish? No, crayfish.
Téèyàn bá ń gbàdúrà, ọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn. Ọ̀rọ̀ kejì is ṣọmọ Kung Fu Panda.
Yeah, praying mantis.
Yes.
I like that.
Skip.
You're doing good.
Sea urchin.
Thumbs up.
How do you describe sea
That's
urchin?
not bad though. That was actually good.
He knows how to describe it. How do you describe sea urchin?
I don't
Serious?
know.
It's like a circular concept. It's almost like puffer fish, but it's not. You know puffer fish.
Yeah.
From SpongeBob. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's good. Just imagine that.
Yeah.
So sea urchin is similar, but it's not as big as puffer fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so how do you describe that? Do you
Why
say?
is everything to do with the sea? There has to
I
be.
don't know, man. Maybe
We can try different categories.
Yeah.
Under the sea.
Music.
No
That was
way.
difficult. Celebrities. We could do celebrities.
How would you describe their films?
No, just celebrities.
Yeah, but it's. How do you describe
Oh,
it?
you'd have to speak in Yoruba to
Yeah.
Okay,
to
you try.
beat around the bush.
What other category is it?
Or should we just do famous people? No, state capitals.
I mean, I'm not good at that.
You know,
No.
you need to get like De Blade.
You know exactly.
The man who finish
You know, he
everything
knows
now.
this. Oh my days, this guy.
There's literature, landmarks, name brand,
Nah, I saw that earlier. I was like, nah.
heroes and villains.
Could do that. Yeah. If they have like Marvel stuff.
Wait, I'll see what it says first of all. Put it in my head. Why is it saying pass already? The Falcon.
Yeah, that's a Marvel.
I don't know. I have no clue. Should we go back to
Can't do your names, yeah.
heroes and villains?
Yeah.
Sports teams?
I only know football teams.
Okay. Occupations?
That would be interesting.
Yeah.
That would be interesting.
Your turn.
That would be...
Doctor sound like you're
That's the Dokita.
What's job again? Ishe.
What is law?
I don't know.
Skip.
Yeah, okay.
Ishe.
Oro meji. Oro what's the second one? What's the second one mean? I know meji, but Ikeji. Oro Ikeji. So what's guy? My Yoruba is actually. Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Oga
ṣiṣẹ́ ní
Boss.
movie set.
Actors. Actresses.
No, director, like I'm saying.
We would have gone through it because I know you would have got it. Yeah, time's up.
I was saying because in Nigeria they call these people, when director, they call them Oga. So like it's director, we say director.
Okay.
Me, I'll just think boss.
Oh yeah.
Let me make sure this is recording.
I hope it is.
Yeah, it's here.
Okay.
Alright, 2, 1, go.
Skip.
Wait, Oma is the, I want take
care of Iku. I want to cook.
Oh my gosh, I know this.
Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú
ABC.
Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìkẹta nínú alphabet.
Paul Bearer? No.
Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìkẹta nínú alphabet. T.
C. C.
Wow.
They're the ones that they're the ones that do the cutting of the bodies to see how they died. Is it those people?
Skip. Àwọn tó máa ń wà ní ẹ̀yìn camera.
Director.
No, àwọn tó máa ń wà ní ẹ̀yìn camera tó yẹ pé ó máa ń ya nǹkan.
Photographer.
Photographer. Yes.
Oh, okay. Down. Is it down?
Yeah.
Time out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I'll wait for it to skip. The other fan. Coroner.
Yeah.
Coroner.
Videographer.
Cameraman.
Oga videographer.
Director.
Okay, what's
video.
Yes.
Cameraman.
Yes.
Occupation. Oromeji ba. So Oro Ikeji is
occupation
student.
No.
Occupation
Woman study.
Lecturer.
No. Engineer. Yoruba, we don't say engineer. I'm an engineer, doctor, so I don't know. And I can't say engineer.
Oh my god.
Aerospace, that was what they say. First one is like, I want to say, to want to take care of motor to when you say aeroplane, I said
balloon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but balloon. Okay.
Because that's pigeon.
Oh, aerospace engineering.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. If you say engineer face, then
we would have got it in the end. I think it's a time limit on this. That's like
on phone, you know.
Moto 2, Tonfo. Moto 2, Tonfo. That's because we don't actually have word for aeroplane.
No, we don't.
Balloon. That's
No, that's pigeon.
That's not the actual.
That's pigeon.
Really?
Yeah.
Yoruba officially, or because aeroplane does not exist in our world, so
Exactly.
they look for the nearest possible thing. So either you use. I know some people have used balloon, but the problem is that
No,
it's
not balloon, balu.
Balu.
Oh,
Yeah.
balu.
Balu.
Yeah.
Is that for plane or
legit, I've heard that
what's
for
helicopter?
a plane. No, I think that
Where's
was
my
just
phone?
Because they're the same.
they
They're
say
the,
helicopter, yeah.
Helicopter.
But for aeroplanes, but for aeroplane they say balloon.
balloon.
Yeah, no,
Balu.
balloon.
Balu.
B-A-L-U.
Balu.
Yeah.
B-A-L. Okay, Balu. Can you?
I'm searching.
Yeah, because
I'm
Balu.
searching.
Okay, that's.
Well, I don't believe Google.
Oh,
But
man.
Google says ofurufu. Wait.
Fufu means air or sky.
That's flying something. Oh.
Eku.
Oh, is it?
Eku.
Okay, how to say plane? in
Ofurufu.
Yoruba?
Ọkọ̀ tó ń fò nínú.
Oko
Yes,
to
yes,
fo.
yes. So,
Yeah, you just
Oh,
use
Oh,
like
you
a
combine the
sentence.
word. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
here it says.
Like in German.
Yeah.
Here it says oko ofurufu.
Okay, so moto. That's a moto to fo. You get no. That's a moto to fo now.
The vehicle that flies.
Yeah, that's the same. That's like yes, Yoruba. Once you don't have the word, you look for anything and you combine
Oh
it.
gosh, that's hilarious.
Yeah. A little bit.
Motor tofu. Oh gosh, all these English inventions they make it difficult to say things in Yoruba.
1-0. Oh, easy. Ọ̀rọ̀ méjì.
Okay.
Ọ̀rọ̀ kejì.
Mm-hmm.
Àwọn tó máa ń jà.
Boxer.
You had,
Fighter.
yeah. Àwọn and then ọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́kọ́.
Firefighter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ọ̀rọ̀ méjì.
Mm-hmm.
Skip. I'm not going to get the second word. I'm not going to help you with the second word.
You're just giving up.
Skip.
Please don't say skip again.
Hold the best upright. Yeah. Okay. Ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ kan ibi tí a máa ń lọ láti rí àwọn I don't know what animals this one. Àwọn
Zoo. Zoologist.
Okay. Hold on. What do you pay?
Thanks. That sounds like an insult with the way you said it.
Ọ̀rọ̀ méjì. Ọ̀rọ̀ méjì. Àkọ́kọ́ àwọn tó máa ń lo
Keyboard.
Computer.
Typewriter as well.
no, time's up.
Ah.
It was
IT administrator.
yeah.
That's what I'm like. How do you describe that woman?
Admin. Essentially.
You say IT, whatever you
You have
say,
to go
IT.
round and round. Yeah.
Administrator. Maybe more.
I think I'm only good at this because if you give me a small clue,
You can
I'll
guess.
try
yeah.
and piece.
You know the
Yeah.
categories, yeah.
Because I don't know exactly what you're gonna say.
Alright.
Oh wow. Oh sorry. Skip. Àwọn iṣẹ́ yìí on fò sí. No. On fò sí. I'm gonna cheat. Another country.
Air hostess.
No. What's
Skip over.
I can get it.
Iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe, but
Say that means
yeah.
But it's not.
engineering.
No.
Student.
So no
It starts with an R.
Re.
Yeah.
You were reading.
Close.
No.
Skip. We'll do another one before it ends.
Oh, don't pick up. Don't take
Bin man. Trash.
Yes.
Quick.
Oh, yes, good.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay,
that's fine.
yeah, I didn't go.
We'll give you that one.
Trash collector.
You're close.
Okay.
Bin man, trash
Okay, so
collector.
research analyst.
This is like
Research analyst.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
okay,
research.
yeah.
Research. Okay.
No.
Then, I know it's not what you do, but that's it. That's how.
Yes, you're doing research.
So let's think just.
You're analyzing your research. so along the lines.
Alright.
Me.
Okay.
I
This
don't-
kind of they give you
American
hard
and
ones.
trash collector.
Yeah, they give you hard ones. Place on head.
4, 3,
To do
2,
history. I did
1,
that one.
0. Okay. Oh. Àwọn tó máa ń ṣe iṣẹ́ tó yẹ pé wọ́n máa ń ṣe inú ilé.
Decorator.
Interior.
Interior designer.
Yes. Thank
Wow.
I don't know how my brain.
You. Okay. Kò ń ṣe lawyer.
Mm-hmm.
Kò ń ṣe solicitor.
Judge.
Rachel Zane.
I don't know who that is.
Oh, mate, it was
So what do you say for? What do you say? What?
Judge,
No, before that.
solicitor,
Before that.
lawyer.
Okay,
Under, what's under?
Abe.
Abe lawyer.
I thought that was a solicitor.
Okay.
Wait, wait, what?
Who's assistant?
You should be offended if you called it this.
Well, solicitor. Oh, she would. Oh,
Yeah.
Assistant of the lawyer.
Assistant,
Yes, assistant of the
yeah.
lawyer.
Àwọn tó máa ń ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn tó máa ń ṣe iṣẹ́ tó yẹ pé.
I'll skip.
Yes.
I have a feeling I know what it is, but I'll skip.
Oh, two seconds. 2 seconds left. Yes, it's come.
Paralegal.
Oh, paralegal.
Yeah, they are basically Abe lawyer. They are the ones that are not lawyers, but they are.
Should be offended.
Which there was one time where I was like, oh, what are you doing? Like, you're paralegal now. She was like, so how dare you call me paralegal? Yeah.
Wait, is
I did law
paralegal?
work and
Is paralegal someone who doesn't do? So they do
I
law,
think
but
basically
they
they're not quite like fully fledged in like they haven't got the title yet to say that they're like a solicitor or whatever it is. They're training.
Oh, so she was a paralegal.
I don't even know. I don't
No,
know.
paralegal is like paralegal is actually a job.
Oh.
Then I say the assistant.
Oh.
So somebody can be paralegal from like you may have studied law lawfully. You can be paralegal from maybe you studied admin something sometimes, and you do some small law in university. You know, in America you can do course small side. Say you major in something and minor in something.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say person minor in law, minor in more field of law, and you can become a paralegal. So
Oh.
and you can also work your way through from a paralegal after a few years to become a full lawyer. Yeah.
Okay, so when they say they major and a minor, is that basically like bachelor's, master's?
No, I think it's like if you have like 6 modules and then the minor would be like you just choose one module in a different area than you're.
I'm glad I
Actually.
came to the UK and not America because I
Yeah,
don't think
America's yes.
Somebody major in philosophy and economics and minor in economics. Like what? Oh no, so major in economics and minor in philosophy, and I'm like, okay,
doesn't
right.
make any sense.
Yeah. So let me check how many minutes. It says 27 minutes. Yikma.
Damn, that's been good.
Yeah, let's do like one more and then call it.
Okay. Books of the Bible.
No, you can see him clearly.
Oh, okay. Books of the Bible.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, no.
Put it on here, put it on here. Let me
We
not see. Put
should
it
be
on
able to do
here.
this.
Put it on here, please.
100 coins each.
Is what?
Eh?
I just pressed 100 coins.
Okay.
Don't worry, your card isn't linked to it.
Okay, I was gonna say. Sorry.
Okay,
I'm
let's go.
gonna put on my head.
I don't see how it works on your stuff.
Sorry. Okay, books of the Bible, clear.
Right, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh.
Come on, try. Describe it in Yoruba.
Old man, àwọn tó yẹ pé ó máa ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ àsọtẹ́lẹ̀, ó máa ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀, but ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní but kò tí ì ṣẹlẹ̀.
Quotation,
Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú we don't have a A B D A F G
Is
E G K. It's not in the alphabet. In the Yoruba alphabet. You know what? Just say skip. Yeah. Oh, okay. 2 words. Or méjì. Or hoko. Ìkan. Or kejì. Ọba.
Kings.
Uh-huh.
Kings.
Yeah.
Second Kings.
No.
First Kings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it. I feel it's like
Okay.
You have to keep it again.
Yeah.
Because you didn't get.
Abure.
Abura.
Yeah.
Jeremiah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Thank God.
Orishe.
Oh,
Orishe is act.
Huh?
Act is Orishe. Act, like an act was like. I'm trying to say.
I don't know the word.
Do you have a Yoruba Bible in the house?
Probably. I don't know.
My
Oh,
papa does
Joel.
one pink Yoruba. When I say pink, it's not like pink. It's not this reddish. I don't know why Yoruba people like all this red Bible.
It's the blood of Jesus.
The inside is no, it's normal black and everything. But when you open it, it's just red.
Red,
And
yeah.
I'm like,
This is a good one.
yeah, it's good.
I like it. The first one is
Skip. Skip.
Really.
Skip. Abrumi.
Peter.
Uh-huh.
First Peter. Second Peter.
Yeah, good. Yes, it
So
is.
down. Yeah. Sorry. Eja.
Eja.
Yeah. one. Hey, well done.
Book, Oko.
Oh yeah.
First Genesis.
Yeah, good.
Genesis.
Yeah, Oko, sorry.
Skip.
Bíbélì Oko Eji, Bíbélì Oko Eji. Then
Exodus.
Meta ni Bíbélì
new.
méjì.
What's new? But
Luke.
No, I was trying to find the book.
Oh no, second.
So yeah, I say Meji, yeah. Meji,
Yes,
yeah, it's gone.
I don't know why I said
No,
Meta.
that's why I said Meji, yeah.
Sorry.
Because I said book Oko, book Eji.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know to do New and Old Testament. I didn't know to do Testament.
No, that's right. What you said was right. So it's the second book
Second
because
book.
it is the second book.
Then
And the
second.
second book of the second book. Huh?
Ah, what is that?
I wanted to, but I was thinking, how can I lament?
Alright, this is actually a really good category. We should have
How
started.
can I lament? So I don't know how to lament properly.
So this is last one.
4, 3, 2. Oh yeah, 1. Boom. Ọ̀rọ̀ méjì. Ọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́kọ́. Ìkẹta. Ọ̀rọ̀ kejì.
Oh my gosh, where is
Doctor tó máa ń lò ní church wa.
John.
Yes.
Third John.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I just spat. That's
think?
disgusting.
Ọ̀rọ̀ méjì. Ọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́kọ́. Ìkejì. Ọ̀rọ̀ kejì. Pastor tó yẹ pé kò sí nínú church wa but gbogbo wa la mọ̀. But gbogbo wa la mọ̀ as pastor and skip.
Yeah, we're only 4. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, obìnrin tó yẹ pé ó dúró pẹ̀lú ìyá ọkọ ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀yìn tí ọkọ ẹ̀ kú. Ó wá lọ yes. Àbúrò ẹ̀ àkọ́kọ́.
First Peter.
Yes. Àwọn tó yẹ pé ọ máa ń mú òfin ṣẹ.
Òfin.
Àwọn tó judges.
Òfin is law.
Òfin means law.
So when we were talking about law, you didn't say Òfin.
That's when we were talking about that thing. That's like, okay, but sometimes what's going to
All of a
be
sudden, you just remember.
This is why it's good to practice. Yeah, I think we can stop there. But so that's the game. Well, I've enjoyed it and I think
had a great time.
Yeah, so I hope this has been insightful or in some way helpful, and you guys let me know if you like that and you want more of that, or if you want more of something else. We can always try and do different things. But yeah, from me, how do I end this? I can't remember how to end it.
So from myself to I'll say my Yoruba name.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So from me, from myself, Tosin, and
Olamide.
Odabo. That's it.